Imagine this. Every morning, an AI checks your tasks, plans your day, writes your emails, and even gives you content ideas while you're still half asleep scrolling your phone. Here's the wild part. This personal AI assistant can run on your own laptop for free. And you control exactly what it does. We're building a simple AI automation agent using Google's Gemini. Don't click away when you hear developer tools. I'll walk you through it step by step like a normal human. No CS degree. Copy-paste commands. Real workflow that saves time daily. By the end, your agent turns a plain task list into a focused schedule in seconds. It groups tasks, estimates time, and creates a realistic plan you'll actually follow. Let's turn your laptop into a productivity monster. Open a new tab, grab your to-do list, and let's set this up together. Ready? Let's build. Here's what we're building and how it works. Before anything technical, here's what this AI agent actually does for you. You'll type something like, finish math assignment, edit YouTube script, go to gym, call mom. The agent groups your tasks into categories. It estimates how long each one will take. Then it turns everything into a realistic daily schedule. If you're a student, a creator, or just drowning in tasks, this becomes your free AI planning assistant. Paste your list, run the agent, get a plan with priorities, estimates and buffers. That's the destination. Now let's set it up. Next, install Gemini tools. It's copy-paste simple. We'll grab an API key and install the CLI, then test everything works. Step 1. Go to the official Gemini docs. Create or sign in to your Google account. Grab your free API key. This lets your computer talk to Gemini, copy it, and keep it private. Now install the Gemini CLI. Think of it like a remote control from your terminal. I'll paste exact commands on screen and in the description. Add your API key to your environment so the CLI can find it. If your shell restarts, repeat this step or add it to your profile. Mac, Windows, Linux, same idea, just slightly different commands. Don't memorize anything. Copy, paste, done. All commands are in the pinned comment and description. Once installed, we test it. If you run into errors later, it's usually the key or a typo. Let's do a quick health check to make sure Gemini is alive. Run one simple command that asks Gemini a question. If you see a text response like this, congrats, your AI is alive. If you get errors, pause here and recheck your API key. Confirm the key, restart the terminal, and try again. Totally normal the first time. Great. Now we turn this into a real agent. We'll define the job, the format, and a one-command workflow. First, define the agent's job. You are a productivity coach. Create daily schedules from raw task lists. Keep it simple and specific. Next, tell it the format you want back. Time blocks, priorities, and estimates. Use a small template the agent can follow every time. Wrap it in a simple command you can run every morning. Don't stress about every line, treat it like a template. Paste once, then only change your tasks each day. Save it. Time to run a real example. Here's my messy to-do list for today. Paste it in, and run the agent. In a few seconds you get a structured plan. It groups similar tasks, avoids 10 hours in a 5-hour day, and adds buffer time. Tweak the prompt to match your style. Now you've got a free AI automation agent using Gemini. Comment Agent 2 for part 2, and watch the next free workflow to get viral shorts.